Hello, and welcome to my video on Cultivation Theory by George Gerbner. Cultivation is essentially how long-term exposure to media shapes how media consumers act and perceive the world. You may be asking yourself, what does this really mean? Gerbner provides the example of how violence in television invoked the idea of the mean and scary world. For my example, I will be choosing something more positive. In SpongeBob, being influenced by his television to make him want to eat popcorn. This is done through everyone on SpongeBob's TV always eating popcorn. It will be seen as normal for SpongeBob that people eat popcorn in any sort of setting. Gerbner provides the framework in the analogy of a three-prong plug leading to a TV set. Each prong is associated with a particular type of analysis that Gerbner considers a critical component in understanding the effects of television on viewers. The first prong is institutional process analysis. This is the scholarship that penetrates behind the scenes of media organization in an effort to understand what policies and practices might be lurking. If this were to be applied to SpongeBob's situation, you might find that maybe a popcorn company is trying to normalize eating popcorn and is having ad placements throughout SpongeBob's television programs in an attempt to increase their popcorn sales. The second prong is message system analysis. This is scholarship that invokes careful systematic study of TV content, usually employing content analysis as a research method. If this sort of research were to be done in SpongeBob's situation, you might find certain times of the broadcast in which they eat, how many people want to buy popcorn after watching TV, and emotions that may also be conveyed along with the popcorn in the TV shows and how that impacts the viewer. The third and final prong is cultivation analysis. This is research designed to find the notion that those who spend more time watching TV are more likely to see the real world through the TV's lens. The last thing I'm going to cover in my presentation is how George Gerbner used two main propositions to guide his thinking about cultivation. These two propositions were mainstreaming and resonance. Mainstreaming is the blurring, blending, and bending process by which heavy TV viewers from different groups develop a common outlook through constant exposure to the same images and labels. In our example, this could be seen through the popcorn being in a vast variety and genres of TV shows to reach as many audiences as possible. Resonance, on the other hand, is the condition that exists when viewers' real life environment is like the world of TV, making viewers susceptible to the cultivating power. If SpongeBob watched TV shows that looked just like his real world, he most likely will find himself being influenced by the popcorn propaganda. Thank you for watching.